Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Lacto Collagen wrapping mask. First, begin by thoroughly cleansing your face to remove any makeup or impurities. It's crucial that your skin is completely dry before proceeding. Then, carefully open the mask package, taking care not to tear the delicate material. This preparation ensures optimal mask adherence and effectiveness. Next, gently unfold the Lacto Collagen mask and carefully align it with your facial features, starting from your forehead. Take your time to smooth out any air bubbles, ensuring the mask makes full contact with your skin. Press the edges firmly, especially around the nose and mouth, to create a secure seal. This helps the collagen absorb effectively. Now, allow the mask to work its magic for the recommended duration, usually between 20 and 30 minutes. During this time, try to relax and avoid talking or making excessive facial movements. Once the time is up, gently peel off the mask, starting from the bottom edge and slowly moving upwards. You'll notice a refreshed feeling. After removing the mask, you might have some serum remaining on your skin. Lightly pat this into your face and neck until it's fully absorbed. To lock in all that wonderful hydration, follow up with your favorite moisturizer. For optimal results, incorporate this Lacto Collagen wrapping mask into your routine 1 to 2 times per week. Enjoy your glowing skin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.